KarMetal 350 sold to a customer, sold as seen. It has a few spare blades with it. Quick function test, all appears to be doing what it should do. Obviously pump, trying to pump but no fluid in it. Oh, there is, sorry. Oh, right, all over the place there. Unfortunately, better clean that up. Obviously blade up and then obviously blade back down again. You've got your speed of the blade, and you've obviously got your speed there, your speed of drop down. We stop the machine. We've also got the emergency stop back on again, clamping. Obviously will not open and close by cutting. There's obviously a roller bed for this as well. More saws available from stock. Thank you for looking.